My dear students, I hope you all are very fine. Today we are going to continue chapter 9. We have already discussed the properties of solid, liquid and gases. Today in this video we are going to discuss some of the activity or explore more. In that we are going to do some activities and on the basis of that we will prove that all the properties whatever we have studied about the solid, liquid and gases are correct. Okay, so in this video we are going to prove the properties of these states of matter, we can say. So what the first activity we are going to do is with the marbles. Okay, this is the glass marble. You must have seen these. The children are playing with this. What you have to do is you have to take some of the marbles and you have to keep in this jar. Okay, and then after what you have to do, let's read. Pick up some marbles and observe their shapes and the volumes. Put these marbles inside a jar. Okay, and their shapes and volumes remain same because they all are solid. Here by mistake it is there, it should not be. Okay, their shapes. Okay, observe their shapes and the volumes also. So what this is saying that if you are keeping these marbles inside the jar, then the shape of the marble is round. When you take these marbles out of the jar and you will put in some other container, or if you will take in the hand or anywhere else, still the shape of the marble will be same. And this property is of the solid. Okay, in the previous video we had discussed the property of the solid. The solid have fixed shape and the size. Okay, so if you will take these marbles, okay, the marbles are in the same shape and the size, whether it is in the jar or it is anywhere. Okay, next we are going to discuss is activity of page number 92. Let's read what the activity is saying. Take different liquids and collect several containers, okay, of the different shapes. Using a measuring cylinder, put 100 ml mark on these container. Fill one of the containers one by one with the different liquids. If you transfer 100 ml of any liquid from one container to another, does the volume remain same? Is the shape of the liquid in each container same? Let's discuss what this is saying. This activity is saying what you have to do. You have to take the different type of liquid. Here I have taken the different color. You can take the different different liquids like tea, milk, water, juice, etc. You have to take the particular measurement like 100 ml. You can take 500 ml also, 1000 ml also. It depends upon you. You can change the quantity of the liquid. You have to fill the same amount, like 100 ml you are taking, then 100 ml should be of each type of the liquid. Okay, so you will fill in the different shape of this jar. Okay, so it will show you the particular amount like 500 ml or 100 ml or 1000, whatever you have taken. When you will change these liquid, you will transfer these liquid into the other container. In that container also it will show the same amount. Why? Because this is the property of the liquid. Okay, the volume is always same, whereas the shape of the liquid keep on changing when we transfer from one container to another container. Okay, if we are keeping in these type of jar, the shape is square. In this the shape is round. In this the shape is conical. Shape is changing but the amount will be same. The amount will be 100 ml in every type of jar. Okay, this activity is explaining this. Next we are going to discuss about the property of the gases. Let us test whether air is one of the states of matter or not. First of all, what is matter? Matter is anything which have mass and that occupies space. Okay, that is known as matter. So air occupy this space. To prove that, what you have to do, you have to take the water in the bucket and empty water bottle. You have to merge the empty water bottle, okay, into the water. You will see no air is passing, okay, and water is not going into the bottle. As you can see in this first picture, water is not going into the bottle, but in the second picture, water is going into the bottle. Why? Because this bottle is tilted a little bit, okay. In the first picture, the bottle is straight and the air is trapped inside the bottle, whereas when we used to tilt the bottom, some of the air used to escape from the empty bottle, and whatever space is whatever air is just coming out of the bottle, that space is occupied by water, okay. So this happened initially. The bottle, inside the bottle, the air was occupying this space, but when we are tilting this bottle, the air is escaping and some space is present to let the water take the place of the air, okay. So this activity proves that air also occupy space. Next activity, we are going to prove that air also have mass. This is very easy. You can understand by the picture only. In this picture, you are seeing the balloon is flat and this is up. When the balloon is filled with the air, okay, it will come down, okay. And if we are filling the air in both of the balloon, it will be balanced. What this activity is proving? This activity is proving that air also have mass. Why? Because in the downward picture, air is not present inside the balloon. That's why the weight is light, okay. This balloon is light in weight, but the second balloon is filled with the air, and that's why it is heavy and it is coming downside. Whereas in the above picture, okay, you can see these are balanced because in both of the balloon the air is filled. So this proves that air also occupies space and have mass. Hence the air is also a matter. I hope you all have understood all these three activities, and this video will help you to understand in a better way. Thank you for watching.